There are still a number of unanswered questions when it comes to COVID-19, and one of those questions, how can it affect your pet? New at 6, News Channel 11's Kristen Gallant spoke to veterinary experts on if your pets can be infected with coronavirus and if they can spread it to their human companions.
Though more research needs to be done, it's highly unlikely for your pet to be infected or infect you with COVID-19. However, all animals can carry germs, therefore it's important to practice healthy habits around your pet and other animals.
The animals themselves are not at risk for catching the disease.
In China, pets have been tested for COVID-19 with their blood showing they've been exposed to the virus. In all of those cases, the owners of the pets tested positive, but there was no evidence that the pet was ever sick.
There was no evidence that the animals could spread it. And when you think that there's been now over 1 million cases of coronavirus infection across the world, and we've seen so few animals even test positive, that it's really unlikely that the animals are either likely to get sick or be a source of infection for people.
Lori Teller works with the American Veterinary Medicine Association. She says when you take your dog on a walk, try to avoid people petting them. And if they do, just wipe them down with a cloth or wet wipe when you get back home. Local veterinarian Carl Kapool says to avoid dog parks for the same reason.
I think the recommendation for people to stay home applies to their pets. We should not be taking our animals out in public, mainly for the protection of the person who's with the animal, not to be exposed to other people right now.
According to the CDC, in the United States, there has been no evidence that pets can spread COVID-19 to people.
Right now, all of the evidence shows that they cannot be a source of spreading the virus by coughing or sneezing on us.
It is recommended that if you are sick, to limit contact with your animal until more information is known about this virus. In Johnson City, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11.